In this video, I'll show you how to make a simple moist carrot cake with cream cheese frosting from recipes I found on the internet. This is my first attempt, hope you will like it. You will need 4 eggs, 1 1/4 cups of vegetable oil, 2 cups of white sugar, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Mix all ingredients. Preheat oven to 175 degrees centigrade for 10 to 15 minutes. Please unflour your baking pan. 2 cups all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of baking soda, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon. Mix all ingredients. Stir and add your 3 cups of grated carrots. One-half cup chopped pecans. Bake in the preheated oven for 40 to 50 minutes. For frosting, combine butter, cream cheese, icing sugar, and 1 teaspoon vanilla. Until the mixture is smooth and creamy. If toothpick comes out clean, then it's done. Let it cool for 10 minutes. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel so I'll be able to make more recipe videos like these.